Today I am making crispy southern fried chicken made to perfection. If you want to learn how to make this, just keep watching. Also, if you would like to learn how to make this buffalo sauce, my special sauce, honey, leave me a comment below. Now, in order to make this chicken crispy, you're going to need 2 bowls of flour. I have a bowl of seasoning here. All this goodness wrapped up, honey. Chicken is only chicken until you season it well. You see me pouring in milk. Now, this is whole milk. I am now adding another layer of flavor with Frank's Red Hot Sauce, honey. That's going to give me that extra layer, the extra goodness. We're whisking it up. Turn it around town, honey. We're making something good now. Now you see me seasoning this chicken to the gods. I have herbs, shallots, Himalayan salt, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, paprika, thyme, sage, and pepper, honey. We're going to season this chicken up. Look at it. We're getting it all through there, honey. Now that we have that seasoned, next I'll be adding my first coat of flour. Flip it around really good. You want it extremely covered. Next, what you'll see me do is dip it over into that milk and hot sauce, honey. We're going to bathe it in it for that extra flavor. After that, you're going to add more flour. Now, this is going to give you that crispy texture that you're looking for. When you bite into it, honey, you want to hear the crunch. I cannot wait to eat this. Look, I had to usher it over slow so you can see how crispy it's going to be when it comes out of that grease. Let's watch this one more time. Same process. Flip it around in the flour, honey. Get it coated super well. Then you're going to bathe it in the flavors, honey. Look at it, just bathing. One more time. We're going to put it in the flour and just coat it, honey. Get all of the flour all the way around. Every crevice, it needs to be floured. Next, I'm going to slow motion type. Usher it right on over to the plate next to the other piece of chicken. Now that grease is super hot. As you can see, the chicken is cooking. It's looking so good. It's going to be so crispy. Honey, if you want to try this recipe, please make sure that you do. I can't wait to dig in. Look at it. Look like I can just pick it up. Oh my goodness. You guys, this is so good. Now remember, if you want me to do a video on how I make my buffalo sauce, drop a comment below and don't forget to like. Bye.